I almost died out there because I was in the ice, so I got re-wet and almost died. With like my foot, like almost as like my blood was like so rare and like swishy. It was like ice. Like I was very close to dying. It was like I was almost gonna die right before I jumped in the house.
Whoa.
It was a blast out there. I couldn't even move. There's lots of snow, and I just moved slow. And actually, I couldn't run. So then I just went in the eye. But then when I went in the eye, I almost died, and I ran in the house. And when I jumped, I got the murder to die. When I jumped in the house. And I jumped again. I just had one more heart. I can even jump again.
One more heart, like from Zelda?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, that was the more I was gonna die. Okay, I'm done with the next story.